In this guide, I'll show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 in recovery mode. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch 2, and then once the power options show up, select it, and we're going to go to power off. Now once your console is fully turned off, the secret to getting into recovery mode is you want to press and hold both the up volume button and the down volume button at the same time, and then tap the power button while holding these. So you want to continue to hold these buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds while your Switch 2 launches, and this will bring you into recovery mode. So once you're here, you can release, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom and select Restore Factory Settings to delete all data on your console. Now you are going to get a lot of warnings here. Normally you could just factory reset in System Settings. This is more so for people who can't get onto their console fully. It's also going to give you some information with regards to what's going to happen to your Nintendo account and give you the rundown as to what's going to be deleted. So I recommend you read through all of this just so you fully understand. And if you're okay with restoring your console to factory settings, you can select the red option at the top. Now, if you decide you don't want to do this, you can simply just go back through these menus and then just press the power button on the top of your Switch and it'll shut off. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.